Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to configure the OSPF. So the OSPF here at the area will be 0. Alright, so first I will go ahead on Palo Alto and I will go to the virtual routers and you select that because all the interfaces we have assigned the default. So I will click on default and now you do have the static RIP OSPF BGP. So I'm doing OSPF, so I'll select OSPF. I will click on enable and it says that reject default route. Yes, because the Palo Alto is at the edge, so we don't need a default route. We are rejecting. Router ID, I will say that 0.0.1 and the area. So in the area, I will say 0.0.0, that is area 0, type as normal. And in the interface, I will add the interface, which is interface 1/1. So from the drop-down menu, I will select 1/1. I will enable it. Broadcasting is enabled. Click on OK and click on OK. Keep the default values. So authorization profile, export rules, and advanced, we are not doing anything. We are just enabling OSPF. In the area, we are just defining the area and we are advertising the interface. Click on OK. Go ahead and commit. Now we will go back to the OSPF router and here also we will configure on the Cisco router OSPF1 and I will say that router ID will be 0.0.2, network will be 172.168.1.0, 0.0.255, area 0 and exit. So now we just wait until the commit is complete. So once the commit is complete, we should see a neighborship is formed. Alright, commit is successful. So if I say do show IP OSPF neighbor and you see that I found the neighborship is up. But still it is in init one, so just give it a little bit time. But we after eventually 40 seconds I think it will form a neighborship. So currently they are in an election now. Now you see that my neighborship came up and running. Right, so that was the OSPF, which was pretty good and easy configuration. I hope this was informative for you and thank you.